Welcome to Shruti's Online School, where we believe that learning should always be fun. Get your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser ready. Keep your mind focused and let's start learning. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of fractions. While we do addition and subtraction of fractions, we can do addition and subtraction of like fractions, unlike fractions, and of mixed fractions. In this video, we are going to focus on addition and subtraction of like fractions. Now, while we do addition and subtraction of like fractions are those fractions which have the same denominator. So while we do such addition and subtraction, we need to add or subtract the numerators. For example, we have 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So here you can see two parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts and one part is shaded out of 5 equal parts. When we add 2 over 5 and 1 over 5, we see 2 shaded parts plus 1 shaded part is equal to 3 shaded parts out of total 5. So 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5 is equal to 2 plus 1 over 5, which is equal to 3 over 5. So when the fractions have same denominator, just add or subtract the numerator. Now we move on to the second example, 2 over 5 minus 1 over 5. Here you can see two boxes are shaded out of all the 5 boxes. One box is shaded out of all the 5 boxes. Now 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So one box is shaded out of all the 5 boxes. So 2 over 5 minus 1 over 5 is equal to 2 minus 1 over 5, which is equal to 1 over 5. So what we understand is when the fractions have same denominator, just add or subtract the numerators. Now we'll see two more examples. You all can just pause the video for 3-4 minutes and just solve these 4 sums, and then we'll start seeing over here. Okay, example number 1 is 1 over 8 plus 2 over 8. So here you can see the denominators 8 are common. So what we do is 1 plus 2. We add the numerators up over 8. So this will give you 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 over 8. So what we get ultimately is 1 over 8 plus 2 over 8 is equal to 3 over 8. Just because the denominators are same, we just add the numerators. Second example is 11 over 25 minus 7 over 25. Here again you see the denominators 25 are same. These are like fractions. So we do 11 minus 7 over 25. 11 minus 7 gives you 4 over 25. So therefore what we get is 11 over 25 minus 7 over 25 is equal to 4 over 25. Just because the denominators are same, we simply subtracted the numerators. Now the next example, 4 over 15 plus 7 over 15. Here again the denominator 15 is common or same. So you simply add the numerators. 4 plus 17. 4 plus 17 gives 21 over 15. Okay, now if you see 21 and 15 both are divisible by 3 because 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So what we do is we reduce this fraction by dividing both numerator and denominator by 3. So 21 divided by 3 gives 7 and 15 divided by 3 gives 5. So this is also one format. The next example is 6 over 11 minus 3 over 11. So here you will see the denominators 11 is same. So we just subtract the numerators. 6 minus 3 gives 3 over 11. And 3 and 11 they both are not divisible by any common factor. So ultimately we get 6 over 11 minus 3 over 11 is equal to 3 over 11. I hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, share, and subscribe to Shruti's online school. Your subscription really matters to me. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to be alerted for new videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye.